Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to meet you all every week with amazing study contents and productive vlogs. So today we are going to take some time and rearrange my working space. This time I'm planning to rearrange in a minimal style. Mostly my workspace arrangement depends on my aesthetic. Sometimes I like colorful and sometimes minimal theme. Anyways, for sure I will check whether the space is functional. So guys, without waiting, let's arrange the room. So divided my stationeries into two holders. I would like to give a holder only for my highlighters and another one for pens, scissors, glues and fine liners. So this is a pack I normally use to keep all my planner stickers and washes. Actually no need to arrange it as it's always organized. Purchased this bed sheet from my hometown recently. As I'm a huge fan of pastel olives, I selected this color. This is the main reason behind this, and which is an Egyptian cotton material, and this is going to look so pretty for my room. I'm so excited about it. Okay, now it's time to organize my Luna trolley where I would like to keep all necessary supplies to my studies as well as other stuffs. space. I've specially designed this corner just to spend some times with myself, journaling, reading books, and painting. Kept some freshy plants around me to calm myself as well. So the most exciting part is this. I purchased a ring fill light with a tripod. There's a special reason behind this. Unfortunately, there is no natural light can penetrate inside my room. Rather than using a light bulb, I've heard this ring fill light have a feature to control its temperature. Hope this might help me to get natural light filling feel. So guys, hope you like this video and thank you so much for all the love and support I am getting here. I'm so grateful to have you all with me. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and introduce yourself to me in the comments below.
No one knows, no way I feel, can't let it go. How could it be so real? How would I ever make you see what you mean to me? Will you ever know the way I feel? Things you did, remember those moments when the stars don't lie.